Hey everybody, welcome to Titans of CNC Academy. My name is Billy Boyce, and today I'm going to take you through designing TITAN-84L in Fusion 360. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go up here and make sure we are in design, and then we're going to go ahead and select create sketch. Let's choose this front plane here. I'm going to press L on the keyboard for line, or you can come up top here to the ribbon and choose line. I'm just going to snap right here in the center and kind of drag the line up. Type in 1.8, press enter. This is going to be our center line or our axes. We're going to go ahead and do half of the part. Since this is a lathe part, we're going to just kind of draw it as a revolve, and then we'll revolve it around that center line. So most of the diameter dimensions, we're just going to go ahead and cut in half. So I'm going to come up here, click line, or press L on your keyboard for line. Snap right here. I see that diameter is 0.350. I'm going to say divided by 2, and then just enter. I'm going to press L for line, and I'm going to kind of just sketch out what the shape looks like, kind of roughly, and then we'll add some dimensions and kind of define everything. I'm going to press escape to get out of that line command. I'll come over here and select dimension, or you can press D on the keyboard. Go from center line to there. The diameter on that is 0.364. We're going to say divided by 2. We'll do this one here the same way. That is 0.238 divided by 2. Enter. Go here to here. 0.95 divided by 2. Enter. And now we'll go from here to here. That's a dimension of 1.565. Go from here to here, 1.375. Go from here to here, 1.5. So we should look something like that. Now we go ahead and we can come up here to create arc. We're going to go 3-point arc. I'm going to select there and here and kind of bow it out a little bit. Then I'm going to press D for dimension. I'm going to click that radius, and that is a radius of 3.298. Press enter. We can go ahead and add a couple fillets here. So we'll come up here to modify, select fillet. I'm going to click the top here. That's a 0.025. Press enter. I'm going to right click on the mouse and do repeat fillet. I'm going to select here and here. I'm going to say 0.015, and then I'll go ahead and select this other one. I'm going to go ahead and say finish sketch. We're going to come up here to create a revolve. It automatically highlights that. It's now wanting to know what's the axis that we're going to spin this around. We're going to go ahead and just choose that center line and then say OK. So the only thing we have left to do now is add the chamfer. So we're going to go modify, chamfer. Let's choose this one and that guy. We see we have a 35.035. Press enter. I'm going to right click, repeat chamfer. Click on that edge, and that's just going to be a 10th 0.01. Enter. And there you go. That is the Titan 84L.